Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another what I eat in a day video. So I started the day with some black coffee and I forgot to record that, of course. And then for breakfast I had a piece of avocado toast with some sauerkraut on top. I know it's a super weird combination, but I love it. So try it out sometime if you haven't. After breakfast, I made a smoothie with almond milk, half of a frozen banana and half of a fresh banana, frozen raspberries. I used 2 different protein powders because, I don't know, I'm just kind of weird and I like to use like a half scoop of both kinds at the same time. I will link them down below in the description so you guys can see what ones they are. And then some hemp seeds, flax seeds, raw cacao powder, and peanut butter. So for lunch, I made a bowl with some rice, some crispy baked tofu, and roasted broccoli. And I'm kind of showing you guys how to like cook the tofu right now, but I pretty much just cube it and put some olive oil, soy sauce, and cornstarch on it and toss it and lay them all out evenly and then roast it for about 40 minutes at like 390, 385. And then I roasted some broccoli, just completely plain. I didn't put any salt or pepper or oil on it. And then I topped it with some avocado and green onions later. And I used I think it's called Halo's Ocean teriyaki sauce. It's like a soy-free one. And I'm not soy-free, obviously, because I just use soy sauce. But it has pretty good ingredients in it, and I'm kind of picky about sauces, but I actually like this one. And this is something that I make all the time, and I make a huge batch of it so I can heat it up later in the week, and it's a super easy meal for meal prepping. For my last meal of the day, I made some tacos with these gardein fish fillets, and I used corn tortillas, avocado, mango, spinach, and then I made a sauce out of vegan mayo, hot sauce, and lime juice. And normally I would put red cabbage and pickled red onions on this, but I didn't have any at the time, so I was just working with what I had. And later that night as a snack, I had some of this Get Back to Human chocolate, the cashew butter raspberry jelly one. I think I mentioned this in another video that I did, but I'm obsessed with it. It is so good. And that was all I had today. So let me know in the comments if you guys like videos like this. I'll definitely make more. Thanks for watching. Bye.